Ki Khubor Ka Bate Se TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Kidikot Jongka Central and Power Committee Palathung Deka Ying Bisha Supreme Court Kilahia Jurib Hakashnong Killing Kashnong Kabadon Hariboy District Hadien Ba Wei Unong Shongshnong Jongka Zilla Assam Jitul Deka Ula Ujor Shaka Ying Bisha Supreme Court Daka Ba Kynnoh Ba Kadon Kajingti Khyndew Bean Bat Kajing Penjat Mariang Hakashnong Killing Kabadon Hakaput Bat Kajilla Assam Kalawanra Iya Kajing Shlei Hakasor Guwahati Bat Kibenta Kaput Jongka Zilla Meghalaya Bat Jilla Assam Dang haka khatway trik unay tung aja pusan. Kidikot jong Central and Power Committee kilale jurip yaki kor teliat mau ke jingti Khyndew haka thain killing but kumju ru yaka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya bantok kit binia halor ke jing Kynnoh baka don ke jing penjat yaka mariang. Haka baya day bakaniu Deputy Commissioner jong Hariboy District u Abhilash Baranwal haka jinga kran bikla pathai khubor layathu baki Borson Shah District kila yo jingtim halor kani nakatnat forest ka sarkar Meghalaya batla binshet how magistrate but yaki pulit bansan lang haka jing jurib jingidkhot ka Central and Power Committee khnang ba kanamdan kanu ka jingta ya ka shongsuk shongsngan jong kipat ba.
It was a visit of Central Empowered Committee. This committee has been constituted by Honorable Supreme Court. There is a case filed by one person from Assam against some deforestation activities which have been carried out in Meghalaya, and his claim is that this deforestation is leading to floods in Guwahati. As a result of which, a Central Empowered Committee has been constituted by Supreme Court, and on 11th, that Central Empowered Committee undertook its field inspection in the killing area as well as USTM and some of the mining areas. We received information from the Forest Department. Since this matter of deforestation or the alleged earth cutting, etc., they fall in the domain of Forest Department. So the Central Empowered Committee coordinated with the Forest Department. We received information from them regarding this visit. So that's why we have deputed one magistrate and made some law and order arrangements.